Good morning, amazing artists. Winter's on its way, and we are going to be creating a fun cardinal on a winter branch drawing today. This will be a guided drawing. If you would like to put the bird's tail, you can do that. You'll need to scoot your bird over. I'm just going to be showing the bird's body going off the edge of the paper. So to start, imagine your paper cut in half. Above the top half of your paper, you're going to draw the cardinal's eye. Next, we're going to draw the beak. So we'll make a little horizontal line and a diagonal line up and down from that beak. So it's almost like a triangle shape. But the back of the cardinal's beak won't be a perfect triangle. We'll try to draw that sort of slanted down. So take a second and do that now. Next, for the head, we're going to draw a line up from the beak, straight up to be that top feather, and then a couple zigzag lines down, just like you see, to make that back part of the cardinal's head with some fluffy feathers. So up and then back down about 1, 2, 3, 4 little zigzag lines. From there, we will draw the back of the cardinal off to the side of the paper. This is where if you wanted to draw a tail, you would add that in. The next part we're doing is the cardinal's face. So I actually think it's a little easier. Let's finish the cardinal's body first and just bring down and around that curved line to show the bottom of that cardinal. Kind of follows along with the same curve of the belly. Then we're going to go in and go around the eye, give it a little bit of feathering, and connect down to the throat. Okay, to draw the cardinal's wings, we're going to use little U-shaped lines, just about 4 or so of them, and draw them up from the edge of the paper, connecting that. Or if you want to make just like a large W shape, you can do a couple of those. I gave a little bit of texture above the wing and a little spot just to show some detail in the cardinal's neck. You don't have to do that though. Next, I wanted to give our cardinal 2 legs and little claws. I gave that bird 3 claws just by drawing little toes, little upside down V's. However you want the feet to look. This is going to be the bird perched on a branch. Okay, so that's the bird. The next part is really just adding branches in. So I'm going to draw a horizontal branch that the bird is sitting on. And from there, you can fill in your paper however you want as far as how many branches are going to be there. I'm using the V technique again, where I draw a large V to show the branches going off to a certain direction. Every time I want the branches to split, I'm drawing another V in between that branch and splitting it further. So go ahead and fill the page with as many branches as you want. I'm going to try to get a lot of detail on this page. Now that we have our bird and our branches drawn, the next step is to use your permanent marker to outline all of those lines that you just made in pencil. And then we're going to color. So I used a mixture of markers and crayons kind of to give some texture. So I used some marker first and then filled in the branches with brown, the beak yellow, that face black, the feathers red, the background blue. The last step is to use our awesome chalk markers to add some snow. So little dots look a lot like snow. If you want to try drawing snowflakes, you can. Totally up to you. And there you have it. We hope you love it.